Well, hello everyone. We're now on chapter 3. I'm going to go ahead and talk a little bit about chapter 4 also during this session. In our Nutrition in You, our chapter 3 is going to be about the basics of digestion. These weeks are going by really fast, but we're doing really well. It's a pleasure working with all of you. The basics of digestion are very fascinating, and they will open up our eyes on how the human body works and how it takes care of all the energy that we intake all the time. It's amazing how everything gets broken down, so that's what we're going to go over in chapter 3, and all the different functions of the different organs and how it treats our diet and what we do intake. Everything that is involved in digestion, from the table to the toilet. Chapter 4, we're going to be looking at carbs, sugars, starches, and fiber. We will learn about why the carbs are important, and many times those carbs get a bad rap, but however they are a good energy food. Athletes in particular are concerned about having enough energy when they do high intensity workouts. We'll also detail about how the body utilizes sugars and fibers in this chapter. Sugars, when we start talking about sugars, we'll be talking about type 1 and type 2 diabetes, and there's a lot of people around the world that are affected by this. Something that we really need to be aware of, not only for ourselves, but for our families. Just a heads up about chapter 5. We're going to have our first homework assignment via the Mastering Nutrition textbook website. So make sure that your access code is working and that you insert the course ID. When you get in there, you'll be able to use the drop-down menu to select the chapter. The left-hand side choices are there as per your instructions that are in your chapter assignments in the session. Another thing, just remember that you take note of the objectives at the beginning of each chapter, because those are the questions we'll be concentrating on your exams and your unit exams. Same routine as you've been doing. Make sure that you are reading your text. If you want some extra input, have the PowerPoint open while you're reading your textbook. In the forums, reply to my post and then at least 2 of your classmates, and help make some constructive comments to each one of your classmates that you respond to. On the chapter 4 session, you will have that unit exam, and that will cover chapters 1 through 4, 50 questions, and you'll have 60 minutes to complete the test. Your grades should be updated on the website by Monday midnight, so the things that I need to grade, I'll have inputted them and double check all your other assignments to make sure that they are recorded there for you. Everything is good for everyone, I'm hoping. Have a great week and enjoy sessions 3, and then next week session 4, and your first homework assignment on session 5. Talk to you soon. Hasta.